Yun. Let's go. Let's make money, ladies and gentlemen. Magandang gabi po. Magandang gabi sa inyo dyan na nanonood. Let's go. Papasukin lang natin ng mga audiences really quick. Let me just do some little adjustments. Yan. Magandang gabi, magandang gabi. How's your day? It was a very good trading day. While we're waiting for all the people to come in para sa trades po, para sa topic po natin this evening, which is going to be about real estate investment trust, panibagong way of investing in real estate. I just wanna share with you. Yan, yung mga wag muna yan. Updates lang muna tayo sa mga trades natin. Let's check out. Ayan. Let's check out. Let me just transfer to my page. One moment. Here we go. Yan. Kamustahin natin ang trades natin. Nag-post ako kanina lang. Right, eto. This is today. Izanagi trades natin for today. More into AUD, NZD ang mga trades natin for today. And Izanagi lang ito ha. So si Izanagi ang nag-trade nito automatically. Izanagi is your supervised automated trader. Yan po ang mga trades niya. And ang ginagawa namin as a trader is kukopyahin lang namin yung mga best na trades ni Izanagi, which is ituturo namin yan paano makita dyan ang mga gandang trades ni Izanagi. And true enough, yan, odd NZD for today. Makita niyo naman yung mga dates natin today. Kinopya lang namin yung trades and this is what we end up with today. $1,300 po. That's more or less around 70,000 pesos just for today in our trading. And we call that shadow clone trading strategy. And hopefully matutunan nyo po. We're teaching it for free for you. This way, madali na ang trading mo. Sobrang dali na lang ng trading natin. Because of this, kokopyahin mo na lang ang trades ng automated trading bot natin. So, saan ka pa? Tinuturo namin yan. Just go to my page. Meron akong post about dyan. Puntahan niyo po yung video. May link po dyan. Again, we're teaching this for free. And then, punta tayo sa charts. Chart ng PSEI today. Kamusta na sa PSEI? Right, it's still loading. Yes, I don't know why it's not loading. But yeah, charts. Not this one. Kaya pala. This is not the usual browser that I open. Dito po. I'll open the charts first. Well, nag-aantay tayo. Just a quick update lang sa market natin. Mukhang bullish kasi ang market eh. Sobrang ganda. Right, so let it load up. Right. So this is PSEI, Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Ang dating resistance natin was at this area. Pero nag-breakout na tayo. Today did a pullback, so it's good looking for Philippine Stock Exchange after the news na ang baba ng inflation ng Pilipinas, 2.8% actually. So congratulations sa ating mga Pinoy for achieving that. And because of that, sobrang ganda ng market, dumami investors, nag-breakout tayo. It's been the highest, hindi pa. Lately, 2023 last year, pinakamataas natin ito. So hopefully maabot naman natin yan. But yeah, PSEI is looking good. Kaya ang ganda rin tignan na mag-invest sa Philippine Stock Exchange ngayon, which is in line also sa pag-uusapan natin this evening, which is close ko lang to. Real estate investment trust. Yan, simulan na tayo. We already have around 70 viewers before we start. Magandang gabi. I just want to greet everyone. Armil, Amil, ayan, kamusta kaibigan? Pasit in, siyempre. Pakishare po. Please share this video para sa mga kababayan natin. Again, free knowledge for this evening. Share ko po sa inyo yung real estate investments namin, how we are doing it. Ng mga forex trader din at the same time. Hindi kami tutok sa mga real estate investments namin, but we want to diversify into this. Kaya meron kami nito, REIT. I will discuss to you how we are dealing with it. Pinakita ko sa short ko kanina yung profits namin for December and January. And tuturo ko po sa inyo yan ngayon. Again, please share this live video to your Facebook, to your friends, para naman po kung may mga baka may kaibigan kayo na gustong mag-invest into real estate, naghahanap ng bahay or condominium kasi parerentahan, baka magandang, actually hindi baka, mas magandang alternative ito kaysa sa traditional na real estate investing natin, wherein you look for physical properties, bibilin mo, ipaparenta mo or ibenta mo at a higher price. So that's the usual that's the traditional real estate investing kasi natin. Real Estate Investment Trust is now available in the Philippines. Actually, 2021 ito lumabas. So, may kabaguhan pa. And ang dami pang Pilipino na hindi alam ito. Pero ito yung ginagawa namin ngayon. And I want to share this to you, the knowledge this evening, how we are able to do it. Art Santos, gandang gabi, Lodi. Uy, Ninong Art, ayan, magre-real estate investment na, diversification si Ninong Art kasi ang laki na ng kinikita sa trading. Joey Pantuhan, maayong gabi. Alright, let's start the evening. We have 90 viewers, ang dami. Right, Real Estate Investment Trust or REIT po ang tawag dyan. This is the modern real estate investing. Let's go. Alright, what do you think is a good, before we start discussing about real estate investment trust, alright, post in the comment. Wala pong maling sagot dito Please post in the comments about this question right here. What do you think is a good monthly passive income in real estate investing? Magkano kaya gusto mong kitain sa real estate investing? Let's say for example, may condominium ka or may binili kang bahay, pinaparenta mo. What do you think is a good, realistic na hindi naman kanong kamahalan na property? Yung abot ng average, hindi na average, pero at least na mga karamihan ng mga Pinoy. Alright? What do you think is a good monthly passive income in real estate investing? Please post your answer in the chat room. Sabi ni Art, 50K a month. Yan, monthly 50K. Right, let me check the other answers. Andrew, very good evening, watching from Baler, Aurora, for vacation. Sana all. Nice. Enjoy. Good evening, Andrew. 30K, sabi ni Janilo Unaga. 30K na naman, sabi ni Ralph. 20K from John Camartin. Shoutout po sa inyo. Those are very good answers. Wala kang ginagawa, di ba? Kung ngayon nga nagtatrabaho, let's say for example, siguro, average, I'm not really sure about the statistics, pero karamihan ng mga kakilala ko, nagsisimula, nagtatrabaho, siguro nasa 15,000, 20,000 pesos a month. Especially dito sa Cebu. Ewan ko sa Manila, mas mahal sa Manila. Pero, mga 20,000 pesos, isang buwan na trabaho na yon, diba? 20,000 pesos ang kikitain mo. Here, kung may real estate investment ka, kikita ka rin ng 20,000 pesos, pero this time, wala kang halos ginagawa. Ang ginawa mo lang is maghanap ng rerenta, monitor yung renta, tsaka monitor yung bayaran every end of the month, diba? So that's a good income already, 20,000 pesos. 5% per annum per initial capital. I love this answer. More about this later. Mas mataas po yield sa REITs kesa sa condo ngayon. 20K per month po from MJ. Thank you, Lloyd. This Andrew, you're welcome. Lahat po ba ng REIT ma-recommend mo, sir? Hindi naman sa lahat. Right? Siguro if this video is gonna get traction, meron tayong second level kasi dito Meron kasing in-depth na lesson kami for REITs. Paano maging mas efficient ang investments nyo kay REIT. Paano maghanap ng magagandang REIT na pwede nyong pasukin. Right? Ano ba yung mga different REITs na available? But that's very in-depth already. So, I love your question, Joey. But yeah, depende sa location and accessibility, REIT from milyonaryo empleyado. I'm also into REIT. Actually, REIT yung pinasukan ko lang. But anyways, yes. So, the purpose of this question is at least we can set a parameter lang on what to say is a good passive income na sa real estate, right? Meron kasi mas mataas pa, etc. Ganito na yan. Right, so I saw 20,000, 30,000, 50,000. I guess the average in the middle is around 40,000 per month on your real estate investment, or that is times 12 per year is 480,000 pesos. Hindi pa malinis yan. Meron ka pang gagastos for maintenance, may mga buwan pa na walang kita, ganito ganyan, etc. So maybe around 450,000 pesos per year, or mas bababa pa, or 440. But around that area, di ba? Per year. That's 500,000 every year na wala kang ginagawa pero may tinatanggap ka na pera. That's already very good passive income from real estate. Comment yes if this is already a good passive income for you. Type yes kung okay na sa inyo ang 500,000 a year na passive income. Baka hard to please yung iba tulad ko. Si REIT is nice. Yes, si REIT is nice. I wanna see yes dito. This is from Vince. Very good. Okay, so I just want to give you an example right now, okay? This is dito sa amin sa Danao. It's called Aduna Beach Villas sa Ginsay, Danao City, Cebu. A rental rate is around, ang advertising is 45,000 pesos. Binibenta nila yung bahay, fully furnished, at 14 million. Okay? Siguro, kung if you want to, kung hingi pa kayo ng tawad, pwedeng umabot ng 40,000 ng rental. Kung bibili nyo around 12 million pesos, okay na yan. Sobrang ganda kasi nasa beach area. Beach villas kasi yung yung theme dito. So, pag parerentahan mo 40,000 pesos dito sa Cebu, ewan ko sa Manila, siguro sa Luzon ang mga properties na ganito is mas mahal. Pero ang ganda kasi ng properties dito. Pero yeah, 45,000 at 14 million, these are the features. So, that's the usual. So, kung pwede mong hihingi ka ng tawad, 40,000 pesos, 30K from our rentals, nilalagay ko sa PSV for REITs. From dyan nila umagap. Yeah, patuloy na pag-ikot ng pera, di ba? Very good. But yeah, 40,000 pesos, that's already very good. I'm saying yes dito sa comments. I love that. 121 viewers. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Really admire for being here. Instead na mag-relax, mag-chill, mag-YouTube, andito kayo nanonood para mas yumaman pa for financial freedom. Sabay-sabay tayo yaman, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for the viewers. Alright, what is the profit? Ang dapat na tanong is, ang dapat actually na tinitignan nyo is, hindi lang yung amount, right? It has to be fair. Kasi what if 20 million yung property and kinikita mo for 40,000 lang? Hindi naman siya fair, di ba? So the best answer should be, right? Para ganito na ang mindset mo in the future. What is the profit percentage na kinikita from the capital? Alright? So, kanina, tinig natin na example, 12 million na property, 14 million, pero pwede nyo pa ipatawad yung 12 million PHP capital with the annual profit of 500,000 pesos na passive income from the rentals. Diba? So, what is the profit percentage for this one? Kung marunong kayo sa math, makita nyo po dyan, i-search nyo po is, or i-compute nyo po is, what percentage is 500,000 of 12 million? And since hindi ako marunong yan, nag-google lang ako, ginoogle ko na lang, and the answer is 4.1667. So, 4.17% per annum po ang kinikita mo sa property. Ayan. 12 million yung property, 45K yung rentals, minus pa dyan yung mga buwan na walang nagre-renta. But yeah, you're earning 4.17%. Lagay lang natin na 4.5%. 4.5% yung kikitain mo, right, from your properties, which is already very good. Diba? I just want to open your mind about the percentages kasi lagi nakakalimutan to ng regular na Pinoy. Ang iniisip kasi ng mga karamihan ng mga Pinoy, karamihan ng mga during my seminars or during inquiries about investments, when I teach about investments, ang iniisip ng karamihan ng Pinoy is ROI kaagad. ROI, return of investments. Yung return kaagad ng investment, kailan lang mababawi? Kung nagbagsak ka ng 10 million dyan, kailan mo mababawi? Diba? Which is the wrong mindset. Especially you're into real estate investing. Kasi sa real estate investing, low to medium risk kasi siya, diba? The physical properties there, may risk pa rin. Baka masunog, calamities, etc. Masira yung bahay. So there's still risk. So I would, actually, real estate investing is considered a medium risk investment. And it's generating you around 4.5 to 5% a month, annual, plus pa yung capital appreciation. Yung bahay, lumilit ang value, pero yung lupa naman, usually nagmamahal. So with the appreciation, siguro nasa mga 6, 7%, di ba, na annual na pag-increase. So, that 40,000 is already okay for the capital of 10 to 12 million. So, dapat rin malaki ang capital mo para kumita ka sa real estate. So, at least nakita nyo na 4.5%, 5% is already very good po for an investment. Now, we can go now to our topic, which is REIT. Right? So, what is a REIT? REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust. Is a company that owns, operates, or finances income-generating real estate. Alright? Dito sa Cebu, if you're from Cebu, nakapunta na kay Ayala Center Cebu, one of the one of the most famous na malls dito sa Cebu. Yan. Nasubukan nyo na ba na nagmaglakad kayo sa mall, tapos naisip nyo, what if may-ari ako ng Ayala, ng mall na ito, no? Ganda siguro sana. Actually, Ayala Center Cebu is one of the properties listed in Ayala REIT, a REIT. Yan. So, is a company that owns and operates or finances income-generating real estate. A mall is an income-generating real estate property kasi nagre-renta mga tao dyan, pumupunta ang mga customers dyan, may nanonood ng mga movies, etc. Even the parking area is real estate yan at kumikita yan para sa mall. So, it's an income-generating real estate. And REIT is a company of these properties. So, Ayala, may IT park kami dito, which is part of the REIT. May mga buildings dyan na pinaparenta for BPOs as part of Ayala REIT. So, it is in one company. Okay? And then, pwede mong bilhin ang part ng company niya yan through the REITs. Bibilhin mo ang REITs nila. So, it publicly offers capital from shareholders. So, ibebenta nila sa inyo yung ownership ng company. So, if the mall that you love is there, and part owner na kayo ng mall, actually, part owner na kayo, may-ari na kayo ng mall yan. Diba? So, pwede po yan. To purchase and operate income-generating real estate assets like shopping malls, hotels. Yes, hotels. Isa yan sa mga income-generating na mga real estate. Hospitals and industrial parks. So, IT parks. Meron pa nga REIT na mga power plants eh. May naglalabas ng REITs na mga power plants nila. Yung ownership ng power plants in the company is binebenta niya sa'yo. So, you can own a power plant if you want to diversify into power the power business, 'di ba? So pwede po 'yan. Pwede kayong bumili niyan. It's through the form of REITs. And this is modeled after mutual funds. REITs is a pool of capital of numerous investors. Ako, ikaw, kung magpabibili kayo ng Ayala REIT, may-ari tayo lahat ng Ayala, right? A small portion of the mall or yung group of real estate in that one company. Kung malaki bibilihin nyo, nasa inyo na yun. Pwede po yan. Numerous investors, this makes it possible for individual investors to earn dividends. Yan. Keyword, earn dividends from real estate investments without having to buy, manage, or finance any properties themselves. So, keyword po dyan, phrase po. Without having to buy. Uy, thank you so much for the stars, Mark Andrew Lim. Right, meron tayong pangkape, pre. Thank you. Right? Without having to buy, manage, or finance. Hindi nyo kailangan na i-manage, i-finance ang mga properties or bumili ng mga furnishing, mga upuan, if it's a hotel, mga beds, mga fixtures, etc. Hindi na kailangan na ikaw ang gumawa nun because it is the company that does that. The management does that for you. But more about that in a bit. So, etong third one is the reason why I really love, I converted my assets na mga stock market na mga investments into REITs. Because by law, by law, right? They are required to give over 90% of the rental incomes is distributed back to the shareholders as dividends quarterly. Unlike kasi sa common stocks, let's say for example, kung bumili ka ng Jollibee, bumili ka ng SM, or bumili ka ng Aboitiz na stocks nila, San Miguel. Yung dividends kasi nun, depende lang sa may-ari ng company. Yung mga CEOs, the management, uy, marami tayong kita ngayon. Sige, magbigay tayo ng dividends for this quarter or this month, etc. So, depende sa kumpanya yan. Let's say, for example, nagka-pandemic, natakot sila. Ang daming kumpanya hindi nagbigay ng dividends. But here, in REITs, dapat, by law, 90% of their rental income is distributed back to you if you're part of the ownership. Kung may REITs ka na hawak sa kanila. So, hindi nila pwedeng itago yun because that is, nakabook naman yan. Kailangan nila ibigay sa'yo. So, always kang may dividends every quarter sa net profits nila. Income ha, net income yan. Net income. Right? So, you earn passive income, 5 to 8% yield, and enjoy capital appreciation. Kasi, yung REITs, saan mo mabibili or makikita is nasa stock market po siya. It's traded as a stock in the stock market. And you know, stock market goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. So, if the values of the property inside the REIT, if their value goes up, yung capital appreciation, uy, nagmahal yung lupa sa, let's say for example, sa BGC. Meaning, yung properties nagmamahal din. And that adds up to the value of the company and the REIT prices also go up. So, if nabili mo siya ng 30 pesos at ngayon 35 pesos na per REIT stock price, humida ka ng 5 piso kada stock, that's your capital appreciation. Right? So, depending rin sa market. But yeah, so you earn dividends plus capital appreciation is there. So, that is what REIT is. Very good. Pero paano mo sasabi na maganda siya kaysa sa traditional na real estate investment, diba? Pero I'll just show you before that, I'll show you a diagram of what happens. So, let's say for example, yung company, they want to expand more properties to more properties. Ganito kasi yan. Let's say for example, ako si Ayala, natayo ko na yung mall. Alright? Let's say for example, ang gastos ko sa pagtayo ng mall, 1 billion. So, kakagastos ko lang ngayon ng 1 billion, maganda na yung lupa, etc., mahal na, ganda na ng mall. Wala na akong pera ngayon para maggawa na naman ng panibagong mall. So, what I do is, ibenta ko through REITs yung ownership ng mall at kumita yon. Let's say for example, pagbenta ko, umabot ng 1.5 billion, may pera na ako ngayon para pantayo ng pangalawang mall under the same company. Kasi may mga investors na bumili ng REITs, di ba? So, that's the purpose of it. So, company, professionals, real estate, manage rentals, and expand. Kikita naman sila. Pag, like, ito sila Mega World, Vistaland, Pininvest, yan. So, Ayala. Kikita sila. Yung profits, net profits, 90% dividends per quarter, pupunta sa investors. And then, yung mga investors na bibili sa REITs is, yung pera na yan, ginagamit for expansion or to buy more properties. So, that's the cycle in it. Okay. So, ito yung sinasabi kong law kanina, Republic Act number 9856, the Real Estate Investment Trust Act of 2009, full text. Section 7 po, dividend distribution. Ito ang sinabi ko by law, kung gusto niyo i-check. Not really a lawyer, pero a REIT must distribute annually at least 90% of its distributable income as dividends to its shareholders not later than the last day of 5th of month following. Dito sa atin is quarterly binibigay. Okay? So, by law po yan. Yung sinabi ko, kagandahan yan. Kailangan. So, this is the comparison of, let's say one moment. So, this is a comparison of, baba ko lang ng konti dito ha. One moment. Sorry. Medyo putol eh. Alright. So, physical properties versus REIT. Ito yung parang comparison. Bakit mas maganda ang REIT as a modern way of investing kumpara sa physical properties, right? Or the traditional way na ikaw yung bibili ng physical na property mo talaga. Hopefully, you can read this. Pero, yung una po, physical properties, illiquid po yan. Very high transaction costs. Takes long to buy and sell. Yan po ang isa sa pinakaayaw ko sa physical na property na bibilin mo or mag-invest ka man. Right? To buy a property, sobrang tagal. Kasi, hanap ka pa ng lawyer to check everything, etc., etc., and then bayad sa lawyer, and then may transfer fees pa, may bayad pa sa agent, etc. So, ang daming gastos at sobrang hirap ibenta. Very illiquid. Okay, let's say for example, you have a property right now, let's say 10 million pesos, yung pinakita kong property sa inyo kanina, hindi basta-basta mabebenta yon. Kasi marami pang tatawad. Siguro mabebenta mo yan kung at the market price, siguro it will take 1 year pa. Or swertein ka, may bibili ka agad, ganun. Pero ganito yan. What if I need the money next month? Alright? Since hindi siya liquid, hindi ko mabebenta kaagad at the current price, what I will end up doing para mabenta siya is instead of 10 million, ibebenta ko lang ng 8 million or 7 million. So mas mura na. Pag may nakakita niyan, uy, mura na yung benta niya, saka pa may bibili. Tapos may charges pa yan, etc. Sa lawyers, sa transfer fees, etc. So malaki pa rin. So ang tendency, malulugi ka for you to be able to sell it right away. So very illiquid po siya. Si REITs naman, very liquid, low transactional cost, it's easy to buy and sell. Since nasa stock market siya, yung sinabi ko kanina, punta ka lang sa stock market, makikita mo si Ayala REIT, Phil REIT, Phil Invest REIT, Mega World na REIT, andyan po. May current na price dyan. Let's say for example, 35 pesos. Makikita mo dyan, uy, meron dito nagbebenta ng 20,000 stocks worth 35 pesos. So gusto ko yan. Bibilin ko. Ang bilis, ganun lang. Very low transactional cost lang for the brokers. Pero yun na yun. Ikaw na may-ari nun. Hindi na kailangan ng attorneys, etc. Transfer fees, etc. So sobrang mura, sobrang dali. Kung gusto mo na may ibenta, ilista mo lang. Current market price is 35 pesos. Kung gusto ko mabilis ibenta, benta ko ng 34.95. So 5 cents cheaper. Ikaw yung mauuna. Ikaw yung priority sa pagbenta. Pwede mo na ibenta. Marami nang bibili niyan. Mabilis po siya, very liquid. Ang bilis ibenta. So, hindi na masakit sa ulo ngayon to liquidate your assets. Let's say for example, meron akong funds dito na, uy, ipon ko to para sa pang-college funds ni baby. So, magka-college si baby maybe 18 years from now pa. So, pwede ko ilagay muna sa REIT yung pera, tutubo na yon. Tapos, kung gusto ko ibenta by 18, pwede ko ibenta ang bilis, ang dali. So, kikita pa ako monthly ng dividends, nagparenta pa yung pera ko, di ba? So, very liquid. Stamp duty, tax, rental income, yes, mayroon po dyan mga taxes. Dito, wala pong rental tax, wala pong tax yung dividends. Sobrang ganda. Right? May mga tenants ka pa na mas kituulo, hanapan ka pa ng, uy, registered ba to yung ano nyo? Hindi naman. So, aabusuhin ka pa. Need to manage tenants and maintain property. Totoo po yan, especially sa mga mall. Or ikaw mismo, hanap ka pa ng tenants, i-manage mo pa yung tenants, yung payments nila, etc. Pag may sira, ikaw pa magpapaayos. Ikaw pa magmamanage ng property. Ito, sa REITs, since binili mo lang yung ownership, may management na dyan na nakaset, sila nang magmamanage, hahanap ng mga tenants, gagawa ng mga events para mas maraming tenants sa mall nila, etc. Ikaw, CCU, wala kang gagawin. Sobrang dali ng real estate investment mo. Ganun po kadali si REITs. Okay? It's already professionally managed for you. Can own 1 to 3 properties. Location risk. May risk kasi sa locations kung bibili ka pa ng properties. Kung bibili ka naman ng magandang location, mahal naman. Di ba? And ang location risk pa niyan is what if magkasunog, etc. on that area or pumangit yung area. So, maapektahan yung yung properties mo. Here, since it is a clump of properties, let me open nga nito. Let me open this for you. Ayala REIT, areit.com.ph. So, I'm opening right now the website of Ayala REITs. So, makikita nyo po dito yung asan yung portfolio nila. Ito the portfolio. So, Ayala North Exchange. Ito lahat ng properties na nasa loob ng REIT. Cebu Tech Tower, E-Block Tower 2, or 4. Gusto ko sa REIT kasi andito sa Cebu karamihan ng mga properties din nila. Even Teleperformance sa Cebu, andito. Film Life Building, Makati Office, E-Block, etc. Ayala North Point. Asan yung mall namin dito? Yeah, Ayala Center Cebu. Ayan. So, Ito yung lahat ng properties na nasa loob ng REITs nila. So, it is diversified portfolio. Already, kahit isa dyan, malugi na property, ma-absorb pa ng ibang property. So, you're already diversified in the property investment itself. So, sobrang ganda. So, ayaw lang mag-open. Sorry about that. Pero, yeah. How do I close this? Out. F4. Ayan. Close window. Sorry. Okay. So, yeah. Yan po. So, you own a diversified properties in different markets. So, hindi lang isang building ang na pasukan mo actually kung papasok ka sa REIT. It's a diversification of different properties. So, rental yield, kung may condominium ka actually, sa SG, PH, ayan. So, 1 to 2% lang ang profits annually, 3% annually. Here, sa REITs, yan, umaabot ng 5 to 8% annually. Papakita sa inyo yung performance na investment ni Apple kanina sa Ayala REITs namin. So, here, in physical property, very high leverage para mabili mo. Usually, magmo-mortgage ka, di ba? Uutang ka sa bangko. And because of that, uutang ka sobrang mahal. 80-20, halos nagdodoble yung value ng property para mabayaran mo. It is actually very inefficient. Kasi ito I just wanna go close up para intense. Usually kasi, pagkausap nyo yung agents, ang selling point nila, sir, this is a very good investment. Yes po, magandang investment po yan. Kung hindi nyo uutangin, or kung uutangin nyo man, maleleverage nyo maayos yung pera. Pero po, kung ikay nagtatrabaho lang, utangin mo yan, mababayad ka monthly, ang kumikita actually, kahit na iparenta mo yan, ang kumikita actually sa pera, majority of the time, habang nagbabayad ka, habang nagbabayad ka, not majority of the time, but for that value, yung bangko ang kumikita sa'yo. Okay? Instead na, here, dito sa kung sa REITs ka na lang, yung allotment mo na, let's say for example, magbabayad ka ng 10K a month or 20K a month for your property, bili mo na lang ng REITs ulit. Next month, 20,000 ulit, REITs ulit. So, yung pera, since tumutubo na sa REITs, ikaw yung kumikita sa tubo. Okay? Low leverage, borrow up to 50% REIT value via margin. So, pwede po yan sa international REITs for margin. Pero, yeah, that's the point right there. Ayan. So, ito po yung US market na REITs. Hindi lang po sa Pilipinas may REITs. Actually, pinaka-latest lang ang Pilipinas na may REITs at 2021. US market, steady 6.5% po ang annual na returns niya. At already very good po. Sa Singapore naman, steady 8.3% ang annual na kinikita. Kung utang ka sa bangko ngayon, ang usual interest na babayaran mo is around 5 to 5.5%. So, kung utang ka tapos ilagay mo sa REIT na may 8.3 na annual returns, meron kang libreng around 3% na annual na kita. So, pwede po yun. Pero ito po yung annual na, ito yung kagandahan ng REITs na pinapakita ko. And I wanna show you yung kinikita ni Apple kanina with the tawag nito, with the REITs story niya sa REITs na investment niya. This is her name, April Sherin. For January, binigay itong invoice na ito. This is from 2Trade Asia. If naghahanap kayo ng broker, saan maka-invest ng REITs, 2Trade Asia is a good one. Check nyo po search nyo po si 2Trade Asia sa Facebook and then chat with them to create an account with them. Pero, yan. So, na-credit po yung account niya ng 23,116.50. Okay? So, 23,000 last December. Remember, yan? Quarterly to. So, 1 full quarter ito na kita. So, 1 quarter is 3 months. Di ba? So, monthly nito, kinikita niya, it's around 7,500, 800. So, 7,500, 800 na kinikita niya every month sa dividends niya. So, let's try to compute that. Right? So, December dividends niya was 23,116. 116. And yung investment niya, makikita niyo po, how much did she put in a REIT? It's at 1.455. So, 1.456 million pesos. So, yan yung linagay niya and she's already earning 7,000 plus a month for that investment. So, in a quarter, 23,000. So, kung annual dividends yan, if you want to compute in annual dividends, 23, since there are 4 quarters in 1 year, so since quarterly to, 23,000 times 4, ang kikitain niya for this kind of investment at 455 million or half a million is 92,464. So, if you do the math to check what is that para sa capital, her dividend yield was at 6.35% per year, which is already very good. There's a very good question right here. This is from Permark. Sir Lloyd, buy and forget na lang po ba yung REITs or sell high gaya sa stocks? It's up to you, right? Kung sobrang mahal na, pwede mong ibenta, tapos kung may mahanap ka ibang REITs na mura, pwede naman yun, right? Parang real estate din, kung may plano ka ibenta in the future, pwede mo ibenta actually. So, speaking of benta, here. So, yun lang, dividends niya lang yun. Hindi pa natin kinocompute ang capital appreciation niya. So, she was able, if makita niyo po dito, ang unit cost niya or average cost niya is at 31.17. The current market price is 33.40. So, meaning, kumita siya ng mga 3 pesos mahigit per stock. That 3 pesos, since ang dami ng stocks na hawak niya, sa na-invest niya is 1.455,869.70, yung portfolio valuation niya is now at 1.6150 pesos. And that is, sorry, sa slide ko, hindi ko na ayos. Ayusin ko na yung slide ko. Natabunan ko. Pero, yan dapat. Let me just share it to you once again. Alright. So, that's 155,280 pesos. Nakita niya. And that is 10% increase in value. So, on your chart right now, kung 31 pesos, dito niya nabili yung 1.5 million. And then, since today, ngayon, ang presyo niya is nasa 34 pesos na, yan yung kinita niya. Right? Umita siya ng 155. Actually, kailan niya lang ito binili? November, December. In just 1 month, kumita siya ng 10% actually. So, pwede niyang ibenta to. Actually, this is to answer. Kung gusto mo ibenta, okay na to sa'yo. Ang problema lang kung ibebenta mo, hindi mo na alam kung babagsak pa to or hindi. Okay? We are into REITs for long term. Iwan lang namin to dito. And ito yung ginagawa ng mga incheck ngayon sa yung mga mayayaman na incheck actually. Instead na bumili ng mga lupa by condominium. REITs na lang. And then, in the future, is ita-transfer lang nila yung ownership ng REITs nila sa mga apo nila. So, lesser taxes and mas efficient yung ganito. Going back to the advantage, remember, hindi na ikaw ang magmamanage, hindi na ikaw ang maghahanap ng magrerenta, hindi na ikaw ang magme-maintain, sisingil, etc. So, it's so much better than physically owning your very own na properties para mag-real estate investment. Old school na po yun, yung bibili ka ng properties. Unless na gustong-gusto mo yung properties para magamit mo every now and then, nasa beachside, ganito, ganyan, pwedeng ganun. But if your purpose is really for investment, para rentahan mo yung plano mo, this is much more efficient, especially if hindi ka naman property manager or malayo sa inyo, magiging hassle pa yan para sa'yo to manage and maintain a property. Here, hindi mo na kailangan gawin yon. I'm just gonna use Ayala REIT because actually hindi sila ang pinakamura ngayon, ang pinakamalaking dividend yield. It's just that I know the company, nakikita ko yung mga properties, so I'm comfortable in investing in them. But yeah, sila Ayala na bahala gumawa ng events para maraming magrenta, ganito ganyan. Hindi na masakit sa ulo ko. Hanap ng mga security guard, hanap ng mga rerenta, hanap ng mag-aayos, etc. Wala na po 'yun. Maniningil. Hindi na ako. Sila Ayala na. That's why I am into Ayala REIT na. REITs na lang ang real estate investment sa amin. Ako as a trader, yung mga kinikita namin sa forex trading, since we want to diversify it, since high risk naman po si forex kasi, hindi naman yan pwede na iwanan naman ng pera dyan si forex. Kasi baka masunog, di ba? So you diversify into real estate, and this is our real estate diversification is REIT. So hopefully, ma-influence din kita. Ako, REIT heavy. This is from Milyonaryong Empleyado. Yes po. Very tawag nito? Yung yung property investing kasi is, or real estate investing is very comforting na investment, di ba? At least nakikita mo. Kasi I'm a REIT holder. Pagtingin ko sa Ayala Mall, part owner ako ng mall na ito. Di ba? Sarap sa feeling, di ba? Very comfortable. Very comforting. So, yes. Depende ba ang dividend sa market valuation stock price? Yes po. They will announce na ganito yung dividends na ibibigay nila ngayon. So, depending na yun kung magkano mo na bili yung REIT mo. Kung mahal yung bili mo ng REIT mo, syempre, mas maliit yung dividends mo compared to your capital, di ba? So, tignan mo yung capital mo, and then, ito yung dividend yield niya, or number of stocks mo. So, makakompute mo ng ganun. Okay, so, let me just. Kailangan maganda maglagay at anong REIT ang goods, 10K lang bala. Right, so from Adriano, anong plano mo? Are you going to be putting in 10K every month or 10K lang for long term? If 10K lang for long term, ang yield mo niyan is, remember, nasa 6% lang annual. So, sa 10K, 6% is, magkano ba? 10% is 1K. Yeah, 600 pesos lang ang kikitain mo in a year niyan. So, medyo maliitan po. So, depende po yan sa anong plano nyo sa pera nyo. Kung plano nyo na, this is actually part of the presentation eh. Do I need millions para to enjoy? Nakita nyo kasi kanina, umabot ng millions. When you talk about millions, medyo malaki-laki na pakinggan yung mga profits. Okay? 6% ng 1 million is 60,000 pesos, 'di ba? Annual. So meron kang 10 million, that's 600,000 pesos na passive income. But do I need millions to enjoy that kind of profits? Since REIT is mid-risk asset, mid-rin lang yung profits niya. So it depends on your financial situation actually and risk appetite. Kung hindi pa naman gaano kalakas yung income ninyo monthly, na hindi mo pa kayang mag-invest ng malakihan, or hindi mo kaya yan, 10,000 every month, 20,000 every month, mas mainam na ilagay mo lang muna sa mas malaki ang yield. Real estate investing is actually on the later parts of your investment journey. Okay? Problema sa karamihan ng mga Pinoy, especially mga OFWs na kausap ko, yung mga kaibigan natin sa Roma, I talk to them about this. Pag naka-abroad na nakaipon ng pera kasi malaking sahod, ang unang binibili is bahay kaagad. Which is actually hindi. Kasi hindi investment ang bahay. Okay? But ang tendency is ganun ang ginagawa. Oy, bibili agad ng kondo kasi nga, kondo daw kasi is maganda na investment, pwedeng parentahan. Ng ending, inutang naman pala, yung bangko yung yumaman, kumita, hindi ikaw. So, actually, real estate is at a later part of your investment journey. Bakit? Usually, real estate is mahirap ibenta, mahirap malakihan ang value for it to give you returns na substantial. So, kung baguhan ka lang pa lang sa sa investment journey, may mga options tayo na mas magandang ilagay doon yung pera mo. There is important na money. Yes, kung let's say for example, meron kang iniipon na 10K. This is for Adriano. Okay, kung meron kang iniipon na 10K a month, ano bang purpose mo sa 10K a month na yun? Kasi dapat may purpose yung ipon mo eh. Ang purpose po nito is para sa college funds ng anak ko in the future. Or 10 years from now kasi gusto kong bumili sarili kong bahay, so iniipon ko itong 10,000 pesos every month. Pwedeng ganun. So, if it's for long term na safe, kung gusto niyo safety ang pera, pwede dito sa REITs. Okay? Pwede pong ganun ang ilagay nyo. I don't really know your financial situation, your financial status, but that's what I strongly recommend. Kung 10K lang ang meron kang bala talaga, buti pa i-learn mo na lang yan ng trading. Or ipunin mo hanggang maging 30,000 pesos. I-start mo na lang kay Izanagi. Si Izanagi, nagge-generate ng... Si Izanagi, may risk rin kasi si REIT din kasi. So, Ayala REIT, this gap right here, from the top to the bottom, kasi makaldog kayo dyan. This is 20% na price difference. So, at a certain point, noong October, 34 ang presyo ni Ayala REIT. Bumagsak bigla sa 28.50. That's a 21% drop in just 2 months. So, baka importante yung pera mo, meron kang 500,000 dyan, pero importante yan. Baka matiming ka nito at kailangan mo ang pera in December, bumagsak. Laki ng loss mo, 20%, 21%. So, dapat hindi importante na pera ang linalagay mo dito. Dapat for long-term na funds ang linalagay mo dito. Kasi may risk pa rin siya. But the properties are still there. Kikita ka pa rin ng dividends kahit na bumaba yung presyo. Amin lang, since long-term kami, nung bumaba ito, shopping kami dito. Para nung pag-akyat, nakita nyo, nag 10% ang kita si Apple kaagad. Okay? So, kung meron kayong funds na, tawag nito, na, let's say, maliitan lang, let's say 30,000 lang, hindi nyo kayang isustain yung REITs na maglalagay kayo every month. I strongly recommend. Lagyan nyo lang muna kay Izanagi. Makita nyo po si Izanagi. This is the automated trading program na sinishare namin na libre rin lang. Okay? Pa-plug ko lang ng konti. This is the 2023 performance. 21% po yung gains niya for year 2023. So, 21% po yung gains niya. Ang drawdown, meaning nag-negative siya, 2% lang ang drop niya. So, kung gusto niyo malaking kita, kung nagsisimula pala sa trading journey niyo, as much as possible, lagay niyo sa safe na mas malaki ang kitaan. Huwag muna sa real estate. I strongly recommend dito kayo kay Izanagi. Okay? If you want to learn more about Izanagi, just go to this website right here, www.izanagifx.com. May video dyan about Izanagi. Automated trading, forex trading po yan. Gawa namin. Kami po nagmamanage. So, serbisyo publiko po namin sa iyan. Magaling po kami mag-trade and we want to share our skills to all the Filipinos. Kaya, eto po, fund management namin to. Kami na magte-trade para sa iyo, bale. So, yun yung returns niya. Mas maganda na, dyan yun lang muna ilagay ang pera nyo. Kung hindi nyo pa naman kaya, ang yung malakihan na capital for REITs. Okay, real estate investment, again, mas maganda po yan kung malaki na talagang ipon nyo. May mga pera na kayo na instead na ilalagay nyo sa bangko, let's say for example, 5 years from now, gusto nyo bumili ng kotse, so iniipon nyo pa lang yung pera, lagay nyo na lang muna sa REITs. Yun po yung magandang niyan, kung may extra funds talaga kayo. Okay? Art Santos, depende ba ang dividends? Nasagot na natin to. Let me just Ayan. Good evening, sir. Ako, REITs, heavy. Alright, that's okay. That's not a problem. Ang kagandahan sa REITs is, kung meron kayong 500,000 na plano kayong meron kayong 500,000 na plano nyo ilagay sa REITs, ano bang pwedeng mangyari doon? Actually, maganda. Let me just open this really quick. May oras pa naman tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung meron kaming computation kasi for the compounding effect ng REITs, which is very good. Let me just open my link here for the slide. Oh, sorry. Let me just get the slide really quick. Andito na yung slide. Let me go. Meron kasi kaming mas in-depth na REIT na lessons. Let me just close this one really quick. Ayan. Bagal mag-load eh. Sensya na. Ayan, yan. So compounding niya, pwede po kasi mag-compound ang funds nyo. Yun yung kagandahan sa REITs. Let me just put this to full screen. Control Alt P. On kung bakit hindi ko makita. Ah, yeah. Here. One moment. Here we go. There we go. Yan. So, let me open this on my end then. Separate screen kasi to, kaya medyo mahirap. Yan. So, makita nyo po dyan yung compounding niya on the first year. So, 1 year, 500,000, baka may 500,000 kayo dyan. At a 5% yield lang ito. 525,000 yan after 1 year. Yung 525,000 after another year, on the second year, maging 551,000. So, on its 20th year, magiging 1.3 million yung half million nyo. So, that's the compounding power of REITs naman, right? And yung first year, kung meron kayo on an 8% dividend plus capital appreciation, so, yan naman yung increase niya. But yeah, more into this lang, 500,000 lang ito. Gusto ko pakita sa inyo. That's already very good returns for you actually. Okay? Ano po trusted platform pwede bumili ng REITs? 2Trade Asia, pwede po si 2Trade Asia. Yan. Depende sa broker niya. Actually, halos lahat ng mga Philippine Stock Exchange brokers pwede naman. So, yes. Emil Angelo, REITs is one of good assets na isama sa portfolio mo in building your asset portfolio. Accumulate and diversify. Tama. Phil REIT, MREIT, CCR. Yan. Yung mga magandang REITs na pwedeng pasukin. Alright, we will have a different session most probably in the near future about how to look for good REITs. It is a good 1-hour discussion kasi. Meron kaming guide niyan. Ako sa Izanagi, sa Akense, Sir Lloyd. Alright, for Adriano. Sir Lloyd, this is from Daryl. Sir Lloyd, meron bang certain condition when to enter REITs? Resistance levels or based on fundamentals? Actually, sige. Discuss ka ng konti. May oras pa naman tayo eh. What we did was, tuwing nagdidip, naglalagay kami sa REITs, right? That's a more efficient way of investing in REITs. Pwedeng cost averaging kasi schedule nyo lang. Every 15 maglalagay kayo every month. Pwede naman yun, walang problema. Kung mitikuloso kayo, pwede nyo ipunin lang muna. And then, pag nakita nyo nag-dip yung prices, mumura siya ng kahit mga 5%, that's already a discount for you. Saka nyo pasubukin. Pwede ganun, mas efficient po yun. Pwede sa call, yes, contact your call financial para ganun. Based on fundamentals, yes, may fundamentals basis din tayo sa REITs, Daryl. We have what we call the whale. Hindi ko na i-discuss dito, nosebleed kayo. On a different time siguro, pag-usapan natin yan. Makikita nyo kasi may reports dyan, may whale reports yan sila in the next, let's say for example, in the next 7 years, magkano yung full occupancy nila kasi meron yung contract di ba? So, makikita na actually na mga REIT companies for the next 5 years, 6 years, 7 years na ano yung percentage of occupancy nila. Kung maganda yung occupancy nila for the next, let's say, 7 years, that REIT is actually very good kasi 7 years na constant yung dividends mo. Walang problema. So, isa yan sa tinitignan nyo. Ako, sa Kasi si Ayala REIT, na master ko na yung fundamentals niya, yung whale niya, alam ko maganda yung company niya. Ang ginagawa ko na lang is hinihintay ko lang mag-dip talaga. Ang pinaka-signal ko when it comes to getting in is yung dividends. Okay? If the dividends is below 5%, then medyo ayaw ko nang pasukin sa REIT pag ganun. Kasi magmahal mo binili, meaning yung dividends niya in percentage to how much you were able to buy it, mas mababa. So, hindi ka bibilin. But whenever the dividends, i-compute mo naman yan, dividends niya with the current price, dividends na return niya is more than 5%. Kung mag 6%, it's already a buy. 5%, okay lang sa akin yun. Walang problema sa akin ng 5%. So, bibilin ko na. As long as alam ko na yung fundamentals ng isang property. From Mark Andolim. Alright, thank you, man. Thank you. Alright, so yan. Again, real estate investment trust is as much as possible nasa later parts ng investment nyo. Okay? Or kung meron kayong pera na importante, dyan nyo ilagay. Doon kayo sa mga investments na mas mataas ang yield. Right? Which is much riskier rin naman. So, for money that you can afford to risk, pwede nyong i-copy trade, etc. And Izanagi is one. If you wanna learn more about Izanagi, ito po, izanagifx.com. Ito yung kami na magta-trade para sa'yo. May video dyan sa website na yan. Kung gusto nyo po matutunan si Izanagi. That's it. And 8:56, tama, 1 hour tayo session today. Thank you so much for viewing our session today. Hopefully, na-enlighten ko kayo. At as much as possible, the purpose of this live this evening is maintindihan nyo anong REITs. And for me, at least matignan nyo si REIT as a diversification purpose nyo. Maybe in the future, para mas madali na. Yung gusto talaga namin Gusto namin padaliin ang buhay nyo when it comes to investing. REITs is one way for your real estate investments. Okay? For your forex investments or trading high risk, kami na bahala. izanagifx.com. Ita-trade namin. Kami na magta-trade para sa'yo. That's it for me this evening. I'll see you again on our next Money Mondays episode next Monday ulit 8 p.m. Hindi ko pa alam anong topic natin, but abangan nyo po. Usually weekends maglalabas ako ng short kung ano yung pag-uusapan natin. But here sa Money Mondays, we talk about making money. And hopefully, yan, may natutunan kayo this evening. Let's get rich together. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Bye, everyone.